Dear marketer friends, are you ready to tap into one of the most profitable industries of 2025? If you're watching this, then you're about to discover an incredible opportunity that could change your life and your business. Today, I want to introduce you to FabioHost, a breakthrough first-to-market app that will revolutionize your hosting experience with premium-level performance, 100x speed, and unbreakable security. Built with advanced Intel Turbo CPU technology, NVMe 2.0 storage, secured with latest quantum-resistant encryption tech, 5G-enabled, loaded with powerful anti-threat protection tech, 99.99% uptime, and more robust features, it allows you to host unlimited websites and domains on ultra-fast secured VPS servers with zero monthly fees. FabioHost is the only hosting platform you'll ever need in 2025 for growing businesses that need power and speed. Whether it is an e-commerce store, business website, food and health website, travel or photography site, online streaming service, FabioHost loads sites in less than 3 seconds. Incredible. It stands at the forefront, integrating disruptive technologies of the hosting space in 2025 and years to come. With FabioHost, you can tap into a multi-million-dollar website hosting niche, the most profitable niche in 2025. It's a $100 billion market projected to reach over $216 billion by 2025. World's top hosting companies such as AWS, Shopify, Wix, GoDaddy, Hostinger, Bluehost have turned into billion-dollar companies with $70+ billion in sales and millions of customers. There are 87 billion websites looking for high-quality hosting. There is an unimaginable fight for online traffic and sales, and these websites are competing for the same audience. But here's the thing. Most businesses are trapped in restrictive, overpriced hosting plans, paying monthly fees that chip away at their profits. That's why we created FabioHost. With more businesses looking for high-speed, reliable services, the potential is huge. With FabioHost, you can start your own domain hosting agency overnight and scale it up to 6 figures. You get everything you need to start your own domain hosting agency in 2025. Start selling to elite businesses, Fortune 500 companies, and entrepreneurs across the globe for premium money. Professionals are raking in $10,000+ every month selling hosting services on Fiverr and Upwork. The demand is unlimited, never-ending, and sky-high. You too can make money like this, with dozens of orders and clients lined up for you every day, and you don't need any technical experience or tools to achieve that. Take a look at what makes FabioHost the best in the industry. Intel Turbo CPU, hosting technology for unmatched speed and performance, quantum-resistant encryption and malware protection for rock-solid security, 5G-enabled servers that load websites up to 100x faster than traditional servers, Lightspeed web servers with zero restrictions, letting you host unlimited websites and domains with ease, NVMe 2.0 SSD storage, a built-in user-friendly cPanel, hosting dashboard so you can manage your web hosting with no technical hassles, unlimited bandwidth and databases, and install 100+ premium business apps in just one click, unlimited free SSL certificates for ultimate security and customer trust. 99.99% uptime delivers, blazing speeds, automated daily backups. Keep your data safe with daily, weekly, or monthly backups. One-click migration, transfer sites from other platforms with a single click. Unlimited domain and personalized emails to support your branding and marketing without limitations. NVMe 2.0 SSD storage for lightning-fast, reliable performance. Unlimited databases and 8-core processor to handle heavy loads and high traffic with ease. And endless features. And yes, best part, cancel all your subscriptions to GoDaddy, Hostinger, HostGator, DreamHost, and more, and save $3,000+ yearly. Getting FabioHost is a no-brainer. Businesses are getting more satisfied visitors, lower bounce rates, and higher rankings on search engines. The early adopters of FabioHost are already reaping the rewards, making thousands of dollars. Every day, our users are landing 3 to 4 clients every day, filling their PayPal bank accounts with cash. Payments like this. Now the choice is yours. Be wise and choose FabioHost. Because if you avoid FabioHost, you continue being a part of the rat race and pay $219 per month. Bare minimum to existing hosting platforms and still face constant downtime and slow loading issues. This is a $1,997 hosting package that should be sold on a big-ticket webinar. It is suitable to sell in a webinar, but I'm letting you steal it from us today for a tiny one-time investment. And remember, you're also protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you do not like FabioHost, which we are sure about you will not, we refund your money. So, there is nothing to lose. FabioHost is ultra-powerful, secure, limitless hosting with no monthly fees. Don't wait. Join the hosting revolution and be at the forefront in 2025. Get instant access to FabioHost. Just pay $16.97 once instead of $97 monthly.